Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to check out best hair clipper under $50. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check out the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's get started with the video. Introducing Wahl Elite Pro Hair Cutting Kit. The Elite Pro High Performance Hair Cutting Kit has most powerful and durable motor. Wahl Clipper is the #1 brand of hair clippers. Made in the USA, perfect grooming kit for hair cutting and beard trimming. It has finest precision self-sharpening blades and secure fit guide combs with stainless steel attachment clips. Let's talk about the kit features. Wahl's self-sharpening precision blades stay shaper longer and cuts hair 40% faster. Wahl's best corded motor. The motor has 15% more power than Wahl's Power Drive Premium motor, for no snag cutting. The complete set of secure fit guide combs with stainless steel attachment clips gives you smooth and easy hair cutting. Their premium grade material is 70% stronger than the existing Wahl guide combs. It's one of the best hair clippers. You can choose it for you. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comment section. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for watching more videos.